Welcome to TP Chennai. Happy morning, mom. Recuperate, bounce back, to come back to normalcy. Synonyms: recover, heal, regain. Regain, cure. That also you can use. Ameliorate. Actually, ameliorate, similarity is there. Ameliorate means improve, to make improvement. Antonyms: deteriorate, decline, worsen. Example: the patient did not recuperate as fast as the doctor had expected. Try to recuperate your losses once economy is back. One more example also can be given. Infringe, break the rule, break the terms, break the law. This is against the law. Synonyms: violate, breach, break, transgress. So TRANSGRESS, transgress. And antonyms: obey, comply, follow, abide by, adhere to, stick to. Example: they infringed our school regulations. Perilous, full of danger, hazardous, vulnerable, risky, unsafe, shaky, unstable, precarious, uncertain, jeopardy, JEOPARDY, jeopardy. Antonyms: safe, secure. Example: present economic condition of the world is in a perilous state. Pervasive, present everywhere. Synonyms: extensive, prevalent, ubiquitous, widespread, pandemic, epidemic, endemic, omnipresent. Antonyms: scarce, limited. Example: the pervasive spread of virus made everyone anxious. Queer, abnormal, unusual, odd, peculiar, weird, erratic, strange. Antonyms: sensible, normal, ordinary. Example: both children of Mr. Tom are queer in behavior and extremely uncultured in their lifestyle. Prudent, careful and avoiding risks. A wise and well thought through decision or action can be called prudent. Synonyms: wise, cautious, judicious, sagacious, SAGACIOUS. Sensible, reasonable, economical, considerate. So careful, wise, all these things are related to prudent. Antonyms: foolish, imprudent, rash decisions. Example: without knowing purpose, no prudent bank manager would authorize any loan. Trivial, of little value or importance, unimportant. Petty, small, meager, worthless, paltry, PALTRY. Insignificant, lower ranking, little. All these are synonyms. Antonyms: important, significant, serious. Very careful, ma. Trivial, right? Example: don't get stressed about unimportant things. That is trivial things. Travesty, mockery. Synonyms: spoof, satire, parody, sham. Antonyms: seriousness, solemnity, actual dignity. Example: allowing students to cheat in exams is a travesty of education. Incentivize, motivate. Synonyms: encourage, boost, energize. Antonyms: discourage, demotivate, deter. Example: the salary hike is likely to incentivize the employees. Outright, completely, immediately, instantly, wholly, totally. Synonyms. Antonyms: partially, in part, conditional, provisional. Example: going out has been outrightly made strict due to COVID-19 pandemic. Sagacious, wise, prudent, taking wise decisions, taking good judgment. Clever, intelligent. Antonyms: stupid, foolish. Example: instead of getting into petty argument, do the sagacious thing next time and walk away. Prodigious, huge, enormous, colossal, exceptional, stupendous, astounding, marvelous, fabulous, stunning. So antonyms: small, ordinary, tiny, insignificant. Example: normally many say that the real estate business generates cash in prodigious amounts. Proactive, dynamic, driven, bold, energetic, efficient and effective. Proactive people foresee or predict potential obstacles and overcome them whenever it comes. Antonyms: inactive, passive, retroactive. That means When the problem comes, then only they will face that one, not pre-planned, Example, many people feel that the Indian government has taken proactive measures in controlling COVID-19 pandemic. Cease, end, stop. Synonyms: halt, discontinue, conclude. Antonyms: begin, start, commence, continue. Example, in the afternoon the rain had stopped. The factory had stopped its operations 1 year before because of huge losses or heavy losses. One more example also been given, right? Outstrip, surpass, exceed, beat, overtake, go ahead of, outdo, to excel, outperform, overcome. Antonyms: fall behind, lose, fail. Example, Amazon overstripped all its competitors in sales last year. Nullify, void, make of no use or value, invalid or invalidate, annul, annul. Cancel, dismiss, dissolve, abrogate, quash, abate, abolish. Antonyms: validate, ratify, approve, legalize, legitimize, permit, sanction. Example, his second marriage was annulled, nullified, because he never divorced his first wife. Underscore, meaning emphasize. Synonyms: highlight, to underline, drawing attention, extra importance, to make people notice, to make evident, accentuate. Antonyms: understate, weaken, subdue, detach, reduce, minimize, prevent something from developing. Example, our failures underscore the difficulties in reaching our goals. Debilitate, weaken. So synonyms: enfeeble, enervate, drain, attenuate, extenuate, exhaust, unstrengthen, to make someone or something physically weak. All are similar meaning to the word debilitate. Antonyms: restore, strengthen, energize, invigorate, reduce pain or discomfort, ease, relieve. All these things comes under antonyms. Example, Anbu was debilitated by illness for more than a week. Inadvertent, doing unknowingly, so without any intention, unknowingly it happened, by mistake it happens, right? That is what inadvertent. Unintentional. Synonyms: unintended, accidental, unthinkingly, thoughtlessly, mistakenly, unknowingly. All these words comes for inadvertent. Antonyms: deliberate, intentional, knowingly. We gave 500 more to our housemaid inadvertently in her salary. Obviate, prevent, avoid, preclude, remove, get rid of, avert. All these are synonyms. Antonyms: involve, require, need, postulate, validate. So all these are antonyms. Example, the new medical treatment obviates the need for surgery. Accede, that is nothing but accept, to agree to, request or demand, go along with. Endorse, agree, assent, cooperate, consent, subscribe, concur with. Acquiesce, acquiesce. What is the meaning of acquiesce? Accept but unwillingly, right? So slight difference is there. Accept unwillingly or reluctantly. Antonyms: refuse, deny, oppose, disagree, disapprove, condemn, dissent, forbid, impede, reject. All these comes under antonyms. Example, the management did not accede to the strike's demand. Augment, supplement. Synonyms: enlarge, add to, expand. So make greater by adding to it. In increase the size or amount of something. That is what we call it as augment. Synonyms: enlarge, add to, expand, increase, multiply, strengthen, build up, reinforce, develop. Antonyms: decrease, reduce, shrink, shorten, weak, lessen, diminish, degrade, decline. Example, Murthy is thinking about taking tuitions to augment his income. So reading regularly will augment your vocabulary. undermine, subvert, to gradually make someone or something less strong or effective. So that is what we call it as undermine. Synonym: sabotage, threaten, debilitate, attenuate, extenuate, thwart, THWART, to stop something from happening. That is what thwart. Antonyms: enhance, improve, strengthen, assist, help, encourage, support, build. All this comes under antonyms. Example: unfair criticism can undermine students' self-confidence. Strenuous, arduous, putting in lot of efforts. Difficult, hard, uphill, laborious, exhausting, Herculean, operose. What is that one? OPEROSE. So putting in lot of efforts. Antonyms: easy, effortless, apathetic, lethargic, enervated, facile, unenthusiastic, trivial, unimportant. That also can relate to antonyms. Example: Ram must avoid strenuous activity until his knee heals properly. Attenuate, weaken, debilitate, extenuate, reduce, lessen, to reduce the severity. Antonyms: strengthen, amplify, intensify, expand, increase. Example: Mary took paracetamol to attenuate headache as per doctor's suggestion. Presume, suppose, assume, imagine, guess, take it for granted, believe, think, dare say. Antonyms: infer, deduce, sure, certain. Example: Minnie not in home, I presume she is still in office. Inhibitory, preventive, stopping, precautionary, hindering, stalling, blocking. So preventing someone from doing something because they feel nervous or embarrassed. Antonyms: unrestrictive, permissive, liberation, freedom, clearance. So normally young children participate in competitions without inhibitions. Devastate, shattered, destroy, shock, stun, ruin, annihilate, disturbed, demolish, decimate, ravage, damage, obliterate. Antonyms: please, repair, fix, mend, establish, revamp, create. Example: Rila was devastated, shocked by the loss of her parents in an accident. Disturbed, that also we can say. Exasperate, annoy, causing feelings on anger and displeasure. Irritate, frustrate immensely, infuriate, irritate, incense, aggravate, disturb, embitter, peeve, enrage. All these comes under synonyms. Antonyms: please, delight, make happy, ease, soothe, tranquilize, alleviate, hollify, comfort, calm, compose. All this comes under antonyms. Example: the words he used will not pacify her but exasperate her, annoy her. Futile, of no use, failure, fruitless, pointless, useless, having no effect or achieve nothing, ineffective, unsuccessful, vain, purposeless. Antonyms: useful, fruitful, successful, effective, productive, solid. Example: all our attempts to cheer her up proved futile. Spendthrift, profligate, prodigal, waster, spender, a person who spends money in careless or wasteful way, or who spends extravagantly, lavishly. The person is called a spendthrift. Antonyms: miser, skinflint, saver. Example: in his youth Mike was a spendthrift and paid no heed to his property. Unequivocal, unambiguous, having no doubt, clear cut, crystal clear, unmistakable, transparent. Antonyms: ambiguous, unclear, vague, mysterious, dark, clouded, cryptic. Example: the laboratory experiment must be repeated as the results are not unequivocal. It's not clear. Espionage, spying. Synonyms: intelligence, reconnaissance, undercover work, undercover operations, shadowing. Antonyms: candid, frank. Example: the authorities have arrested 4 people suspected of espionage. ESPIONAGE. Remember that. Enigma, mystery, riddle, puzzle, knot, perplexity, conundrum. So not easy to understand, difficult to understand. So it's a difficult to understand. Antonyms: solution, key, outward. Example, there are many stories about the enigma of the plane's disappearance. Profound, thoughtful, understood by only few people with a special knowledge, or very great or intense, having or showing great knowledge. Synonyms: abstruse, deep, esoteric, philosophical, arcane, recondite, not known to many. That is what the meaning. Antonyms: trivial, superficial, mild, skin deep. Example, motivational speeches of Mr. Thakur had a profound effect on his students. Unveil, reveal. Synonyms: disclose, display, launch. Antonyms: conceal, veil, cover up, mask. So example, Gujarat CM unveils the world's second tallest statue of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, and the company will unveil its new products next Sunday. So many examples can be given. Clear this one? That's end of today's session. Thank you very much. We will meet tomorrow. Have a great day.